Forehead wrinkles can dramatically ace your appearance. But thankfully, there are things you can do to reduce the appearance of these wrinkles and even get rid of them completely. But if you are looking for a faster fix, you might want to try a professional treatment. Today's video will discuss home remedies to get rid of forehead wrinkles. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Here are some home remedies will help in many cases. Number 1. Apply coconut oil to the wrinkle area. Immediately after washing your face in the evening, work a light coating of coconut oil directly into your forehead wrinkles. Continue to massage it into the wrinkles until your skin no longer feels squishy. Dry skin lacks elasticity, and that lack of elasticity can make your wrinkles stand out more. By applying petroleum jelly while your skin is still moist, you can lock into more moisture and keep your skin naturally plumper. Number 2. Wear an anti-aging facial patch. Remedies and other anti-aging facial patches are stiff, adhesive patches that physically hold your skin in place as you sleep. Smooth out your skin and apply the patch directly over your forehead wrinkles immediately before bedtime. Make sure that the entire wrinkle is covered and keep the patches on for at least 3 hours or overnight. The muscles in your forehead will be unable to move once you apply the patch. As a result, they won't twist or contract in your sleep, and your wrinkles won't have a chance to deepen further. Number 3. Exfoliate your skin twice a week. Exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells and lets your skincare products absorb better into your skin, helping to minimize wrinkles. Over-exfoliating, though, can have damaging effects. Number 4. Massage olive oil into your wrinkles. After washing your face in the evening, massage a few drops of slightly warm extra virgin olive oil directly into the wrinkles and into the area around the wrinkles. This can also be done with a small dab of coconut oil or with a combination of olive oil and coconut oil. Both oils can moisturize the skin and improve its elasticity. The wrinkles should fade as skin elasticity improves. Number 5. Work aloe vera into the wrinkles. Before washing your face in the morning or evening, massage a dollop of aloe vera gel into the wrinkles of your forehead. Let it remain in place for at least 15 minutes before washing it off with water and a gentle facial cleanser. Have you ever tried these home remedies to get rid of forehead wrinkles? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.